In this video, we will discuss about best practices for using RESTful URLs. In RESTful APIs, URL plays an important role. RESTful URLs are defined by using HTTP verb and URL. For example, to get list of all the employees, here we need to use get HTTP verb, then we need to use this URL. By combining both of these, we will have RESTful URLs. Now let's see about RESTful get URLs. If we are expecting some data from the API, then we use get method, um, get plus domain.com/employees. If I want to return list of all the employees, here we will use HTTP verb get, then domain.com/employees. See here we are using plural employees. Some developer may use singular version. Most preferable is plural version. Here we can use API text over here. If you want to add API text, then you can use it here. In some scenario, we can also use v1, v2 to specify the version in the URL. Our main focus is employees only, so we should not use get employees, list employees, etc. It must be employees only. If I want to get details of a single employee in the same URL, I can append employee ID. We are using get method. We are expecting details from the domain. Main focus is employees slash particular employee ID. It should not be like a get employee details, get single employee details, etc. It should be like employees slash employee ID. Now, I want to get all account details of a single employee. Then the URL will be get plus domain.com/employees slash particular employee ID slash accounts. See here also we are using plural accounts. Now, if I want to get only one account detail of a particular employee, the URL will be get plus domain.com/employees slash employee ID slash accounts, then particular account ID. Now, let's see about post URLs. Using this post method, we can add new employee in our application. So in this scenario, URL will be post plus domain.com/employees. It should not be add employee, new employee, something like that. We can simply use employees. HTTP verb will be post and the details of the employee will be sent in body. Like this, we can add single account to a particular employee. Then URL will be post plus domain.com/employees slash particular employee ID slash accounts. Here, no need to write like new account, new employee account, something like that. Now, let's see about RESTful put URLs. I want to update some details of the employee. In this scenario, the URL will be put plus domain.com/employees slash employee ID. Here we are using put HTTP verb, then domain name, then we need to pass employee ID. So all other details will be sent in HTTP request body. Now I want to update account of a particular employee, so here URL will be put plus domain.com/employees slash particular employee ID slash accounts slash particular account ID. The account details will be sent in body object. To update the resource, we use HTTP put or patch method. Now let's see about RESTful delete URLs. If I want to delete a particular employee, then our URL should be like this: delete plus domain.com/employees, then particular employee ID. Here HTTP verb is delete. Now if I want to delete a specific account for a particular employee, the URL will be delete plus domain.com/employees slash particular employee ID slash accounts slash particular account ID. This is how we can define URLs in RESTful Web API. Thanks for watching this video.